Welcome back. You're tuned in to Gadget Master, where we unravel the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today, we're diving deep into the realms of innovation with the much-anticipated Honor Magic 6 Ultimate. But hold on to your seats, because this isn't just any smartphone review. Oh no. This is a journey through cutting-edge technology that's bound to leave you breathless. So, without further ado, let's embark on this adventure. First impressions? Jaw-dropping. The Honor Magic 6 Ultimate is a true epitome of elegance, with its sleek glass front and eco-leather back. And let's talk about that display. A massive 6.8-inch LTPO OLED screen that's bursting with colors and clarity. Watching your favorite content on this? Pure bliss. Underneath the hood, the Magic 6 Ultimate is a beast. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and paired with a whopping 16 GB of RAM, this device screams performance. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just breezing through your daily tasks, this powerhouse handles it all with ease. Let's talk about photography prowess. With a triple camera setup featuring a 50MP wide lens, a mind-blowing 180MP periscope telephoto lens, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens, capturing stunning shots is an absolute breeze. From breathtaking landscapes to detailed close-ups, the Magic 6 Ultimate delivers every time. But wait, there's more. The Magic 6 Ultimate isn't just about raw power and stunning visuals. It's packed to the brim with innovative features that redefine the smartphone experience. From advanced biometric security to emergency SOS via satellite, Honor has left no stone unturned in ensuring your peace of mind and convenience. And there you have it, folks. The Honor Magic 6 Ultimate, a true masterpiece of technology that's guaranteed to leave you spellbound. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the future today with the Magic 6 Ultimate and experience innovation like never before. This is Gadget Master, signing off.